Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is permutations. So permutations means the different arrangement of number of things is called permutations. Consider example A, B, C. We can arrange ABC, ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB and CBA. So the different arrangements for the word ABC is 6. As it is 3-letter word, we can arrange it very easily. But for more number of words to arrange, it will be more complex. So we can directly use this formula, that is number of permutations of n things taken r at a time is npr, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial. So here the total number of things is 3 and we are taking 3 at a time. That will be 3p3. So that is equal to 3 factorial by 3 minus 3, 0 factorial. So that is 3 into 2 into 1. So that is equal to 6. So we can directly tell 6 ways by using this formula. Okay. And number of permutations of n things taken r at a time when repetition is allowed means n power r. That means if we consider letter word AB, so we can arrange a word AB in two forms, that is AB or BA. But when the repetition is allowed means we can arrange AB in AA, BB, AB and BA. So as repetition is allowed, we can repeat A 2 times and B 2 times. So that is, we got 4. And if repetition is not allowed means normal way. That is, here we got 2. So it is given as number of permutations of n things taken r at a time. Then when repetition is allowed, it is n power r. So here there are two things. When repetition is allowed, that will be 2 square. So that is 4. Okay. If there are n objects of which P1 objects are alike of one kind and P2 is alike of another kind and so on up to PR of r kind, then the number of permutations is n factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial up to PR factorial. Means if an alphabet or number is repeated up to P1 times, then divide it with P1 factorial. We will look into few examples to understand this concept. So in this first question it is given as how many 3-letter words can be formed from the word small if repetition is not allowed and if repetition is allowed. So let us consider first point. If repetition is not allowed means then the formula will be NPR. So N means number of words, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P and 3-letter word to be formed. So 5P3. That is equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. So 5 4s 20, 23, 60. So if repetition is not allowed, then the number of words can be formed is 60. And in second point they are telling if repetition is allowed. So if repetition is allowed, we know the formula, that is n power r. Here n means 5 and r means 3. So 5 cube, that is 125. If repetition is allowed, then then 125 3-letter words are formed. Okay. So in the second question it is given as how many words can be formed by using all letters of word Bihar if repetition is not allowed and if repetition is allowed. So if repetition is not allowed, the number of ways will be NPR, that is equal to, here they have told to use all letters means N and R will be same. So N means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 5P5. So that is equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 5 factorial, that is 0 factorial. That is equal to 5 factorial by 1. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120. And if repetition is allowed, then it will be n power r. So n means 5, 5 power 5. So 5 power 5 means 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay. So in this third question it is given as how many ways a 2-digit number can be formed using 2, 3, 3, 5, 6. So the total number of ways will be NPR. That is, the total number of numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, P, and they are asking 2-digit numbers, so 5P2. But here 3 got repeated 2 times, so we have to divide it with 2 factorial. So we have already discussed this. So 5p2 means 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial, that is 3 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So 3 factorial will be cancelled, and 2 factorial means 2 ones, 2 twos. So 5 into 2, 10 ways. Okay. So in this fourth question it is given as how many ways a 4-digit number can be formed using 4089. So we have to form 4-digit number. So first of all fix 4. If we fix 4, we have to arrange 3 digits in 3 places. 3 digits can be arranged in 3 places. That will be 3p3. So that is 3 factorial. That will be 6 ways. So if we fix 4, we can arrange 0, 8, 9 in 6 ways. Similarly, fix 8. If we fix 8, then the remaining numbers can be arranged in 3p3 ways. That is 3 factorial. So that is equal to again 6 ways. And if we fix 9 here, then remaining numbers can be arranged in 3p3 ways. That will be again 3 factorial, that is 6 ways. But if we fix 0, it will not become 4-digit number and it will become 3-digit number. So we should not take 0. So the total number of ways will be 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is equal to 18 ways. So in 18 ways we can arrange 4-digit numbers using 4089. Okay. So in this fifth question it is given as how many words can be formed by using all letters of word daughter so that vowels always come together. So in the word daughter, the vowels are A, U and E. So they are telling that all the vowels should be together. So A, U, E. And remaining letters are D, G, H, T, R. So as they told A, U, E should be together, consider this as one letter, that will be A, U, E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters can be arranged in 6p6 ways. That is equal to 6 factorial ways. So that is 720 ways. And A, U, E can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. That is equal to 720 into 3 factorial means 6. So 720 into 6, 722 into 6, 6 to 12, 7 6 42, 42. So 4320. So 4320 words can be formed. Okay. So in the sixth question it is given as how many words can be formed from letters of the word extra so that vowels are never together. When you see never together, so never together is equal to all words minus always together. So if we subtract always together from all possibilities, then we can get never together. So the total number of words can be formed from extra is, that is 5p5, that is 5 factorial. So 120 words can be formed, and they have told if vowels are never together. So if vowels are always together, then E, X, if vowels are always together, A, E will become one unit and X, T, R are 3 different units. So these 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways into, and AE can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So that is equal to 4 factorial 24 into 2, 48 ways. So AE will be never together is equal to all possibilities minus always together. So all possibilities is 120 and AE always together is 48. So 120 minus 48, that is equal to 72 words. So 72 words can be formed. Okay. So in the 7th question it is given as how many words can be formed from letters of the word director so that vowels are always together. So in the word director, the vowels are I, E, O. So take I, E, O as one letter and the other letters are D, R, C, T, R. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. But here R got repeated 2 times. So we have to divide by 2 factorial ways. So that is equal to 6 factorial means 720 by 2, that is 360 ways. And here I, E, O can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So 360 into 3 factorial. So that is equal to 360 into 6. So that is 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 3 are 8, 2, 1. So 366, 2160. So 2160 votes can be formed. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.